In this video, I will be showing you how to make an attendance sheet in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll go to the search bar on the home screen and type in attendance sheet to see what templates are available. I can scroll through a wide variety of designs, including weekly employee logs, meeting trackers, and event sheets. I like the look of this event attendance sheet, so I'll click on it and select Customize this template to open the editor. Now that the canvas has loaded, I'll start by clicking on the main header to select it. I want to change the background color of this top section, so I'll open the color menu and choose a soft blue from my brand kit. Next, I'll click on the existing illustration in the header and delete it to make room for something else. I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left and search for Event Graphics. I'll scroll through the options until I find a silhouette that fits the vibe of my event. Once I've selected it, I'll drag it into the header, resize it to fit perfectly, and change its color to black to match the text. Moving down to the table, I can easily customize the columns. I'll double-click the email header and rename it to Signature. I also want to clear out the sample data, so I'll select the check marks in the attendance column and delete them to start with a blank slate. To set the date, I'll click on the Date field and select the correct day from the calendar pop-up. Finally, I'll use the top toolbar to adjust the border weight of the cells, giving the grid a cleaner and more professional look. And just like that, I have a custom attendance sheet ready for my next event. Thanks for watching.